differentiate f of x equals cotangent 5x cubed plus 9, and simplify your answer. Here we have a situation where we're going to need to use the chain rule. So the reason is we have an outer function, which is cotangent, and an inner function, which is the 5x cubed plus 9. So really what we're looking for is the derivative of cotangent of that function u. And in order to evaluate the derivative using the chain rule, we take the derivative of the outer function. And cotangent's one of our trickier ones, but here's how I recall it. So first off, it's a cofunction, and all cofunctions have a negative derivative. Now, it's the so cotangent is related to tangent. Tangent's derivative is secant squared. So cotangent's derivative is cosecant squared. That's really the only way I go about this. So cosecant squared of u times the derivative of the inside portion. All right, so this is kind of things we're thinking along the lines of, but when we're actually working out the derivative, we see this outer function and this inner function. So we take the derivative of the outer function, leave the inside function alone, and multiply by the derivative of the inside function. And there's not much simplification you can do, but it generally makes it easier to type your answer in if you do that little bit of simplification. And just a bit of advice when you're typing in your answer. When you type in cosecant squared, you really can do cosecant power 2 like that. Just make sure you put parentheses around the input part of your trig function, and that will be perfectly fine. It knows how to interpret this. It knows to interpret it as the cosecant of this quantity squared. So it can handle that.